usually don't do the videos like this, but this time I really wanted to do the video real quick and show you and explain to you some of how my haul went for today. Some of those coupons, the good thing was that were in the app. So if you're new to couponing, don't forget to install the CVS app. It's very easy. I really love it. And right now I've noticed that they're also putting in your ECBs are going to be in the app as well. You could just select any coupons that you like, just click it, save it, and once you need to go to the register, just use those coupons and you're ready to go. And that was my case because I normally get my inserts sometimes on Saturday, but I have not received any inserts, so I was not able to do other deals that I really wanted to do because I don't have those inserts. And in my area we don't get any Retail Me Not coupons, so I really have to order them. But I was still able to do a small haul, and I really wanted to do a video to show it to you in case you're interested of those good deals. Everything would have came out. I have the laptop underneath. That's what I'm looking down. I have the laptop, and that's what I'm going to be having, going through every single item. So the total of my haul would have been the total of my haul was $5.01, and if I divide that with all the items that I purchased, it would have been 39 cents per item. But if I didn't use any coupons or I didn't receive any ECBs or any coupons from CVS, my total would have been $61.11, and I'm not even including the tax in that total. So as you can see, there was a lot of savings, and that's why I really want to share with you this video. I'm going to show you real quick the app. The app is very easy to go in, and in there you could just select your deals, and they're by categories, and you could just select the one that you want. And the good thing is that right now, if you have any coupons, there's a coupon here for the Right Guard. There's a coupon for Speed Stick deodorant, and I think that's a really good deal. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be showing you on the side what the deal, the breakdown is, so you could follow through and see. Especially if you're new, that is easy for you to follow. So the first thing that I purchased was 2 Speed Stick. You could select any Speed Sticks that you like, and I purchased 2 of these. The price ranges from $3.30 to a little bit more, but it's 2 for $6. So no matter which one you select, it should be 2 for $6. And like I mentioned, you select from the app. The app is going to have a coupon that's going to deduct 3 off 2. And I also have CVS. I call it ECC because on the top it says Extra Care coupon. So I had one of those that it deducted $1 for any deodorant, so I used that as well. And then once I paid $2, but I got at the end of my receipt, I got 2 ECBs, making it totally free. So that is a really good deal. I did this deal 2 times from another card that I have, and I also had a coupon for deodorant, so I was able to do that 2 times. For the soft soap, this one was exactly how I also have videos that I've been showing you the best deals for CVS, and I try to bring them early in the week so you could get started and prepare and have your list. So this one came out just exactly how I did the deal. I had 3 for $3.49. It came out to $10.47, but I had a CVS ECC Extra Care coupon that it deduct $3 when you spend $10, so that was perfect because I just had reached $10.47. I paid $7.47, but I got back 5 ECB at the end of my receipt when you buy 3, and you could do this up to 4 times. And my final price came out to $2.47 or 82 cents each of these body wash. The next item that I did was the Scope. The Scope, the price that I seen is $5.39. This is pretty big. $5.39. So it came out to $3.99. They're on special for $3.99, which that's still pretty good. That's still pretty good right there. I didn't have any coupons with me, so luckily there was one in the app. I selected that one from the app, and I was able to pay $2.99, but I got back 3 ECB at the end of my receipt, making it free. And you could do this, I believe, 2 times. I love Milani. I hear so many good things about Milani. I'm gonna be honest. I've never gotten any of these makeup items because they could be a little bit pricey, and a lot of the times there's no coupons or deals for it. That lately we've been seeing, if you purchase 10, you get 7 ECB. So what I did was I purchased 2 new lipsticks, 2 new shades. I think the shades are pretty. 77 and 72. I really like to stay more on the warm tone. And the price in this store, they were $6.29. I've seen them a little bit less, but it's okay because I really needed to reached $12. So those two together came out to $12.58, but I had a CVS ECC that deducts $2 when you spend $12 on any cosmetics. I got that last week, so it expires today, so I think it was the perfect time to actually use that coupon. I paid $10.58, but then I got back a 7 ECB, making it $3.58 or just $1.79 for each lipstick, which is crazy. I purchased this last week because I also did the same deal. When you buy 10 you get 7 ECB, and I've been wanting to try the products, so I got the lipstick and the blush, and this is the one I'm actually wearing. I'm loving this blush, and the lipstick is so creamy and so soft. I just couldn't believe it's a drugstore, and for $1.79 is really good. What I love about beauty items is that once you reach 30, once you reach 30 on any beauty item that you purchase, you will receive a 3 free ECB, which is really good. So now I know that that's going to be added to my account. So for that first transaction, my total, my first transaction, everything would have been $33.04. After coupons and CVS coupons have been applied, the total came out to $23.04. But I got 17 ECBs, making it a total of $6.04 to the second transaction, which I already shared with you. It was a speed stick as well, and the scope. I purchased 2 of the speed stick and 1 of the scope. I also have 1 of the CVS coupons. So for those 3 items, my total would have been $9.99. I paid $4.99 after all coupons have been deducted. And I received 5 ECB, making those 3 items totally free. My last receipt, I purchased just 2 scope, because on this card, once I did it, it printed a coupon saying that you get 2 off 6 mouthwash. So I'm like, well, let me just do it since I haven't reached the limit for those scope. So I purchased 2 of the scope, and I used that ECB, that coupon from CVS, the ECC, deducting 2 of 6 for mouthwash. So that one after coupons, and I only have 1 manufacturer coupon since it was selected from the app, I paid $4.98. I got back 6 ECB. That means 3 ECB, 3 ECB for each item. So that means I got 6 ECB in total, making it free, and $1.02 moneymaker. My haul would have been $61.11. That's before taxes. Taxes are not included. That's the regular price that would have been in my store. And after coupons, use, and ECBs and cash back been applied, my total came out to $5.01. And if I divide that with 13 items that I did received, it would have been just, the total would have been 39 cents for each item, which is crazy. I usually get sometimes free haul, but in this case, I felt like some of these items I kind of like wanted to stock up on, and the other items are almost free. And believe me, I wish I could have done other items, but because I have not received the inserts, I had to skip on those. But I really wanted to bring a small haul to share with you. I hope you really like this video, and I wanted to do it more in person and go quickly while I also show you the items and show you the breakdown of the haul, so you can see how it is. And it's pretty simple. I love couponing. I've been doing it for so many years, and this is the reason why I did this channel, because I wanted to share and teach others as much as I could. I try to teach all those around me, but I want to not limit myself to those around me, but just go a little bit more. And that's why I have the blog, Excited for Coupons, and the channel, and also Instagram is one that I'm more active as well. So I really hope that you don't miss any deals. I already started on the new ad that is starting for this Sunday, September 16th, I believe it is. It's the new ad. I already started working on it, and I already did a few items that I already found on the ad. So you could see the video. I'm going to show the video on this section. Also, you could see it on my blog if you want to see it more detail. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're enjoying and having a good weekend and getting ready for more couponing deals, because it's a new week coming up. So thank you so much for watching, and on to the next video. Bye.